Hi and welcome back to a new page in my art journal. Today I'm playing with the Arteza Acrylic Paints. They were so kind and sent them to me so I can try them out. I'm starting my page with some collage papers. I already adhered them with gel medium and let it dry. Now I go in with the white gesso and my palette knife. The butterflies I'm using are free printables and I printed them onto vellum. I got 24 acrylic paints from Arteza and they come packaged in this nice box, but I'm sure I will not leave them in there. I like to have my acrylic paints handy right beneath my desk. I start playing intuitively and I have no idea where this would take me. To say something about the paints, they are not as thick and as opaque as my Academy acrylics from Schmincke, but of course they are not at the same price level. But I think you can compare them to the Amsterdam Standard Series acrylics. And if you are a beginner or start with art journaling and have no acrylics at home, they are a good set to start with. At the moment I'm wiping away some paint through the stencil. I applied the paint with some water and my fingers. Of course you have to do this while the paint is still wet. The stencil I'm working with is from STAMPlorations and you will find a 20% off code to the STAMPlorations online store in my description box. When I play intuitively in my art journal, I am adding layer and layer and layer, and I always cover the areas that I don't like so much. And I do this until I'm happy with the result. I scribble some marks into the wet paint. I picked some of my handcraft stamps and I'm mixing a dark blue and a dark brown to get a really dark paint to stamp the images. I'm adding white gesso with a palette knife. I really like the texture instead of painting in with a brush. I'm adding some washi tape. I add some background stamping to my page. I'm using stamps from Rubber Dance. You will find a free shipping code to the Rubber Dance online store in my description box. I'm using some black ink for some splatters. My main image is a butterfly. I printed it onto Vellum. It's from a set of 3 butterfly printables. My sentiment is from a sheet of printed quotes. I just wrote them in the text editor on my computer and print them out. After I have arranged them on my page, I glue them and the butterfly down. I use my drawing pen and black ink to frame the words. Here is my finished page. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Please give me a thumb up. Let's see us next time. Bye!